Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good today. Today we are going to read an interesting story. Together we are strong. Let us begin the reading together. Once upon a time in a forest, a flock of doves lived happily. Every morning, they flew out together in search of food. One day, while searching for grains, they saw plenty of rice spread on the ground. All the doves rushed to eat it. But as soon as they landed, a net trapped them. The doves panicked. They flapped and cried, but couldn't escape. The oldest dove, their leader, calmed them down and said, "If we all try to fly together at the same time, we can lift the net and escape." Following his advice, they all flapped their wings together, and to everyone's surprise, the net rose into the air. They flew away, carrying the net with them, and landed safely where a mouse friend helped chew it off and set them free. The moral of this amazing story is unity is strength. Together, we can overcome any challenge. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such stories. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.